Morning students, I am Hemant Sahu. I teaching now the 5th class students of first chapter 1 of the workbook mathematics, our national fruit, mango. Understands? So we are going to the chapter 1, page number 5. In the page number 5, 1 number question, 2 number question, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Do by yourself, take your help from your parents. Okay? Parents से help लेके 1 से 5 तक आपको खुद को ही सॉल्व करना है कॉपी में. Okay students? After we are going to the start the teaching from the 6th question. Okay, now let's start the 6th question to solve the question. How? Write the numbers represented by each abacus in figure and words. Okay, this is the abacus. Okay, and this is the place which denoted by O. T. O means ones, T means tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, now watch over this abacus picture and we write the number in figure. Okay, how to write number in figure? देखो lakhs में कितना सर्कल है? 1 2 3 4. So write here 4 at first. Understand? After 10,000 में कितना vowels है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Write here after 7. Then count it in the place of 1000. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So write here 6. After 100 place there have 5 circle. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, after that in the 10th place there have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 number of vowels. After one place there have no vowels, so in one place we should put 0 here. Understand students? And then number in words, this number which we get from the abacus, we write here now the word in words in this number. Okay, how can we write here? So this is the lakh, so 4 lakh after 76,000 580. Okay, 580. This is the number name of this number in words. Okay, this is the figure form of this number from we get the abacus picture. And then one after two question you do by yourself as homework. Understand students? And next we are going to the question number 7. Question number 7, write the following numbers in figure. Okay, ये नंबर हमको वर्ड्स में जो लिखा हुआ है वर्ड्स को फिगर में लिखना है. कैसे? पहले पढ़ना है. रीड एट फर्स्ट दिस नंबर 7 lakh and 50. 7 lakh. Write here 7 after 50 means 50. 5 tens मतलब टेंस की घर बाकी सब 0. लैक्स की घर हो गया. 1000 की घर में 0 क्योंकि 1000 वाला कोई संख्या इधर बोला भी नहीं है. आफ्टर 100 की घर में भी 0. 50 मतलब 5 tens 0 ones. Understand? This is the figure of 7 lakh and 50. Understand students? And then we are going to the second question. Second question is 5 lakh and 5,000 and 5. How to write the 5 lakh? At first write here 5 after 5 lakhs after 5,000. 10,000 is empty. There have only 1,000. 10,000 is empty, so 10,000 की घर में 0 पुट करना है. आफ्टर 5,000, 1000 की घर में 5 पुट करना है. आफ्टर 500 की घर में empty and 10 also empty, so 0 0 5. Understands? And next 8 lakh and 54,000. 8 lakh means lakhs की घर में 8, after 8 lakh written here after and 54,000. 54 means 5 10,000 and 4,000. 5 10,000 4,000. After there have no any mention, so that's why here put 0. Okay, 100 टेंस एंड वंस की घर में 0 पुट करना है, क्योंकि इसके आगे 1000 के आगे कुछ बोला भी नहीं है, सो दैट्स व्हाई पुट हियर 0. ओके, नेक्स्ट इट इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 4 5 6 7 and 8 फॉर यू एज होमवर्क स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, डू योर होल वर्क, डू योर कॉपी. ओके, clearly as homework. Understand? And next we are going to the second question, 8. Question number 8. Question number 8, what asked about question number 8? Question number 8 is write the following numbers in words. Okay, जैसे हम इसको वर्ड्स को कन्वर्ट किया था, वर्ड्स को फिगर में लिखा था, वर्ड्स को जैसे फिगर में लिखा था, अभी हमको लिखना है फिगर से वर्ड्स में. ओके, नाउ वी आर राइट हियर ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So 4 lakhs की घर में क्या है 4, तो लिखना है 4 lakh. आफ्टर 40 क्या है तो 40, जो 1000 की घर में है, तो लिखना है 40,000. ओके, आफ्टर 500 की घर में 5 है, तो 500 एंड टेंस की घर में 0 एंड वंस की घर में 7, तो वंस की घर में 7 है, सिर्फ 7 ही लिखना है, SEVEN 7. दिस इज द वर्ड्स फॉर्म ऑफ द फिगर. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? एंड नेक्स्ट दिस इज द लैक्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 6 lakhs 9,870. 6 lakh 9,000 800 70. So write here 70. Okay, next the next question 8 ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. So in the box of lakh there have 8. Okay, so write here write here 8,16,000. 16 क्या होता है 16, सो राइट है 16 SIXTEEN 16,000 and 479. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड नेक्स्ट होमवर्क में 4 and 5 सॉल्व करना है बाय योरसेल्फ. अंडरस्टैंड? एज योर होमवर्क. अंडरस्टैंड स्टूडेंट्स? डू इट प्रॉपरली इन योर कॉपी. ओके. Okay students, now we are going to start the question number 9. Write the place value of the underlined digit. There have one number 7,94,401. There have one underlined digit. This is 9. What is the place value of 9? We have to find out what is the place value of 9. Okay, so how can we find out the place value? Place value, what is place value? Place value means what this digit in which place is exist. Okay, this is the place of ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Okay, so 9 exists in 10,000 place. Okay, so we can write the 9 place value of 9 is 90,000, 9 10,000. Okay, so we how can we write 9 90,000? Okay, this is the place value of 9. Okay, and also we write like this. At first we ask the place value, which asks the place value, you write that digit at first. After that digit there have number. How many numbers after underlying digit? 1 2 3 4. So 9 at first, write 9 after how many digits are there? 4 digits after 9. So put 40 after 9. Okay, this is also the place value of 9. For any digit from here, you write at first that digit, after count the number after digit and put same like the digit, put the 0. Okay, next 6,15,789. There have one underlined digit 5. So what is the place value of 5? 5 is the position of 1000. So 5,000 is the place value of 5. Understand, students? And next 9 lakhs 5,892. So in this number, what is the place value of 9? 9 place of 9 is lakh. So the place value of 9 is 9 lakh. Okay. Also 9 after there have 5 digits, so 50. 9 after put the 50. Also it is the place value of this. And then place value of 6 in this digit, this number 6, place value of 6. What is position of 6,000? So 6,000 is the place value of 6 in this number. Understand, students? And then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that, you do as homework at your home. Also include this. Not only this, but also from 1 to 9 at your copies. Understands? And then we are going to the number 10. Question number 10. 10 में एक match the following as HW. You can write match the following. Okay, open your workbook and then write down the match box. After you match, understands, as your book. Okay, by homework. It is also homework. And whatever here doing here, I discuss here all as homework. Okay, from at first, and after that we are going to the next question. Question number 11. 11, what is there in 11? 11 here arrange the ascending order. Okay, ascending means क्या होता है? What is ascending order? Ascending means smaller to greater, यानी smallest number to greatest number. We arrange smallest number to greatest number. So here find out the smallest number of 3 numbers. There have 1 number, 2 number and 3 number. Okay, so what is the smallest number of those number? Smallest number is, here is 69 lakh, 64 lakh and 68 lakh. So smallest number is 64 lakh. So we put here at first 64 means this number 64 lakh 54,094 at first come, because this is the smallest of those number. Okay, so we write at first this number. This is the first position. And second number, इसके अलावा सेकेंड नंबर, ये दोनों में से सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सी है? 68 और 69. सो 68 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट देन 69. सो राइट एट फर्स्ट 68,57,909. आफ्टर दैट दिस नंबर 69,67,234. Understand students? After find out the smallest number of three numbers. Smallest number ये 96 lakh, 69 lakh, 79 lakh. So what is the smallest number of those number? This is the smallest, 69. So 69 lakh at first come. After 69 lakh 43,726 come at first. After that 70 or 79 और 96. तो 79 छोटा है तो 79 नेचुरली फर्स्ट आएगा. 79,559,989. After that come this number at last as the biggest number 96,34,627. Understand students? And now we are going to the discussing about the arrange in descending order. What is descending order? Opposite of ascending order. जैसे ascending order में छोटा से बड़ा अरेंज किया, descending order में क्या होगा? बड़ा से छोटा अरेंज करना है. Understand students? So it also do yourself as homework. Understand at your home in your copy and clearly write. Okay? So students, thank you.